best they can't send us all to detention story? What is your best they can't send us all to detention story?
In my HS, someone got a hold of another teacher's computer and changed his browser starting page to some porn site and got very angry. Our teacher told us about it because he thought it.
Teacher, principal, they still just sit there. Principal, alright, that's it. Prepare the shuttle for space detention. Dear Mr. LRRR, ruler of Omicron Perseiate, we accept the fact that we had to sacrifice a whole Saturday in space. For whatever it was we did wrong. But we think you're crazy to make us write an essay telling you who we think we are. You see us as you want to see us, in the simplest terms, in the most convenient definitions. But what we found out is that each one of us is a brain in a jar, a princess of Mars, a mutant, a crazy lobster doctor and a bending unit. One of my proudest moments at school was during a food fight, or more accurately, fresh fruit fight. I nailed a guy right in the forehead with an apple which split in two and hit two more guys stood next to him. Principal of my HS slipped on a ketchup packet in the lunchroom and broke his leg during senior year. For the graduation walk, everyone handed him a packet of ketchup as we shook hands. Harmless enough, but he was visibly not amused. There was also a sizable pile of ketchup at his feet after the stage walk,